I'm Matt Love, and you're watching AmsterdamVideo.com.
Good morning, y'all. It's Friday, and as we say in the Netherlands, today is Goede Vrijdag. Good Friday. It's the Friday before Easter, which means municipal workers have the day off, but everybody else needs to work. Yep, there needs to be a difference, right? Anyway, as everybody else needs to work, so do I. So I'm on my way to the office for the new workday to start. Just an hour ago it was nice and sunny outside, but right now it's raining. Yep, but I guess that needs to happen every now and then as well, for nature. I just wish it would rain at nighttime, when most people are inside and asleep and all that, you know. I mean, if the water needs to get down, why not in the manner that least imposes on people? But I guess that's just wishful thinking, at least for now. So instead, let's just settle for the intro right now.
Stars over Amsterdam.
Well, new workday, here we go. Alright, on the way to a customer. And we are having some rain and some hail even. Man, it's been a while. And someone is trying to turn here. Well, that brings us to the end of the workday. And from my last customer, I got a bottle of wine for Easter. How cool is that? Also, I quickly dropped by Blokker before they closed. I was just a mere 2 minutes before closing time, but I managed to get a couple of train tickets. So these are the day tickets. This version is valid on all days of the week, not just on the weekends. So that's pretty handy indeed. It's slightly more expensive than the weekend version, as the weekend version usually retails around 13 euros. This is 15 euros and 50 cents, but pretty doable. So yeah, very nice. But anyway, time to head back to HQ to Little Miss Chibi for this Good Friday evening. Mapuka, mapuka, mapuka. Shakalaka, laka, laka, laka. Hey, Chibi. Hey, Chibi, Chibi, Chibi. Happy dog? Happy dog? Oh, happy dog, yes. Sweetheart. Tonight, it's Stargate SG-1 night, Chibi. Yep. Yep. We still have to wait a couple of hours, I guess, but there should be Stargate on Sci-Fi Channel, as it's Friday night. Good Friday night. Chibi, Hamster Van Gogh is losing its intestines, Chibi. Look what you just did. Look what you just did. Look what you just did. Oh, silly dog. Nah. Hamster Van Gogh is losing more and more of its intestines. Oh, you silly dog. You silly dog, you. Yeah. Hey. Man. Should I be in for more snow, Chibi? Should I be? Is it a Good Friday for you as well? No, it's not a Good Friday for Hamster Van Gogh, I'm sure. Oh, the poor thing. Chibi, you're aware you're biting the hamster's ass, right? Yep, you're nibbling on its ass. You're an ass muncher. Ass muncher! Silly dog. Silly doggy.